Hi scholars! It's Ms. Rosa, and I'm so excited you're here today. Before we jump into our reading lesson, I want to talk to you about one of the best tools good readers use. Context clues. So, what are context clues? Context clues are little hints or clues that the author gives us in a sentence or paragraph to help us figure out what a tricky word means. It's almost like being a word detective. We look around the unknown word, check the sentence before it, the sentence after it, and use clues to crack the meaning. Sometimes the author gives us descriptions, examples, synonyms or antonyms, or even pictures in our mind to help us understand the word. And guess what? You already use context clues every single day, even when you don't realize it. Today, we're going to learn how to use context clues on purpose, so you can grow as strong, confident readers. Now, I want you to watch a short video all about context clues. Are you ready, my reading detectives? Let's begin.
Hey, super readers! Today, you're joining the Word Detective Agency. We're learning how to use context clues. These are special hints in a sentence. They help you figure out the meaning of tricky words. Context clues are words around a difficult word. They help you understand what it means. Authors leave clues right in the text. And you get to uncover them? There are different types of context clues. Definition clues, example clues, synonym or antonym clues, clues from actions or feelings. Let's look at a story and solve a mystery word. Lila walked into the classroom and gasped. A gigantic box sat on her desk. It was as tall as her chair and wider than her backpack. Lila whispered, "Wow, this thing is huge." The tricky word here is gigantic. But watch the clues that help us figure it out. Clues: as tall as her chair, wider than her backpack. This thing is huge. With these clues, we can infer gigantic means very big. That's how context clues help us decode new words. To use context clues like a pro, ask yourself, what words around the tricky word give hints? Are there examples? Is there a definition or explanation? Do the pictures or actions help me understand? Can I replace the word with something that makes sense? It's frigid outside. I can't feel my fingers. Let's try it. The word is frigid. Clues: he shivers, can't feel his fingers. Snow is falling. So what does frigid mean? Yes, very cold. You did it, word detectives. Keep using clues around the text to crack word mysteries. Become stronger, smarter readers.
Great job today, readers. Keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep being amazing readers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reading adventures. See you next time.